Hey guys, welcome. Juba Keys. We're going to be looking at frequently asked questions on CoinMarketCap. We're looking at some answers to people's queries. So now, first question here is how the price is calculated for the various cryptocurrencies. So for this particular question, you can refer to the market data section of the methodology for detailed information on this topic. So if you want to know about the prices calculated for various cryptocurrencies, you can check their market data. I think on the market data, that's where you see the total market supply, the total capitalization. You see the price in circulation. I think those are some of the data they use in calculating the prices of cryptocurrencies. Then the next question is, what is market capitalization and how it is calculated? So market capitalization is one way to rank the relative size of a cryptocurrency. It is calculated by multiplying the price of the circulating supply. So market capitalization equals to price times circulating supply. So to know the market capitalization of a particular cryptocurrency, you need to check the amount of tokens in supply and the price that is being given. That's how you get the market cap. So next question here, it says what's the difference between circulating supply, total supply, and maximum supply? So circulating supply is the best approximation of the number of coins that are circulating in the market and in the general public sense. So total supply is the total amount of coins in existence right now minus any coins that have been variably burned. The maximum supply is the best approximation of the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of the cryptocurrency. So for the maximum supply, that's the number of tokens that can ever exist so long that particular token is available. Then the circulating supply says the amount of coins that are circulating in the market and the ones in the general public ends. While the total supply includes the ones that are burned already, total amount of coins in existence right now, minus any coins that have been burned. So those are the simple definitions for it. I think the definition for circulating supply, it seems to be a little bit similar to that of total supply. Then the next question, it says, why is the circulating supply used in determining the market capitalization instead of total supply? So we found that circulating supply is a much better metric for determining the market capitalization. Coins that are locked, reserved, or not able to be sold on the public market are coins that can't affect the price and thus should not be allowed to affect the market capitalization as well. So the method of using circulating supply is analogous to the method of using public float for determining the market capitalization of companies in traditional investing. So guys, that's the reason, guys. Some funds are usually locked away for a long period of time. They're usually for a long period of time. So that's why the formalized rate is price times and circulating supply instead of the total supply. Total supply usually includes funds that have been locked and total funds in hand. The next question here we have what is the difference between a coin and a token on the site? So a coin is a cryptocurrency that can operate independently, while a token is a cryptocurrency that depends on another cryptocurrency as a platform to operate. So you can check out the list of crypto tokens here. I'll be dropping the link to this particular page so you can get more access on this particular page here. So what is the criteria for cryptocurrency or exchange to be listed on CoinMarketCap? Okay, there's a listing criteria here which you can check out. Then why are markets with no fees excluded from price average and total trading volume? So when no fees are being charged at the exchange, it is possible for a trader or bots to trade back and forth with themselves and generate a lot of fake volume without penalty. It's impossible to determine how much of the volume is fake, so we exclude it entirely from our calculations. So So why I no longer see the affiliate links for exchanges on the CoinMarketCap. We discontinued okay, this for the affiliate program that was running on the CoinMarketCap earlier on. So hence the affiliate links to all the affiliate program participant exchanges were removed. Okay, so how do I purchase cryptocurrency? So CoinMarketCap reports on the trading activities of thousands of markets, but does not directly sell any cryptocurrency. The best way to find where to buy is by looking on the market section for the cryptocurrency. For example, to find where to buy Bitcoin, you can look at the market section for Bitcoin. So that's one benefit of CoinMarketCap. They don't sell directly, but they can recommend you to the best places you can get your crypto assets. So in one time zone, okay, the time zone is UTC. That's about 1 hour past GMT. That's about 2 GMT for people that are in West Africa. So at what time is 24-hour percent change based? It's based on the current time it's rolling 24-hour period. So why are you listing in Central? It's clearly a scam. So nearly every cryptocurrency has been called a scam at some point in its lifetime. We are not here to judge the merit of any cryptocurrency, but we provide the best tools for you to make your own conclusion. As long as it meets the listing criteria, it's eligible to be on the site. So guys, you can check out the listings criteria to know more cryptocurrencies. But the thing is that even Bitcoin itself has been called a scam, and I know although it has made so many people millionaires and billionaires, it has been referred to what it is. Do you offer an API for your data? It says you can check here. So am I allowed to use content, screenshots, photographs? So you may use content for academic or journalistic use, provided that you cite CoinMarketCap as a source. Please refer to the terms of use for the website. So you can utilize screenshots and content from this website so long you cite CoinMarketCap. So why does the question mark sometimes show for the circulating supply and market data of a cryptocurrency? So in order to ensure accurate market cappings, we work closely with teams and developers to verify supply details on their respective blockchains. So if a question mark shows up, it means that we have not sufficiently verified the circulating supply and resulting market cap yet. So guys, I hope this update was helpful to you. This is just a brief look into what CoinMarketCap is. So this should help you understand what this whole concept of cryptocurrency world is, and then CoinMarketCap itself. So we'll be dropping more updates on CoinMarketCap, and we hope you stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this helpful. We usually drop updates, crypto news, airdrops, and beneficial stuff, guys. So guys, peace out. Don't forget, you can drop your comments in the comment section, and we'll look into it and respond to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Your back is peace out, stay safe, and stay blessed, guys. One love.